and welcome to today's Escape from Emotional Eating Foundational Training. I'm Jessica Procini, your self-love mentor and emotional eating healer, and also the founder and leader of Escape from Emotional Eating. So excited to be connecting with you today. But before we dive in, let's just take a moment to center and ground ourselves. So pause whatever you're doing and give yourself the opportunity to actually look around. Looking at the space that you are in, looking at the parts of your body that you can see, all to support really coming into this physical space and coming into your body. And most of all, coming into the present moment. And taking a deep breath in and sigh it out your mouth. Take another deep breath in and sigh it out your mouth. And one more time, deep breath in and let it go. And then just allow your eyes to close, feeling your energy and attention move inward. And just really allowing the day to fall away. Whatever is sort of attached to you from the past, just imagining that cord is snipped and it falls away. And perhaps if there's anything that you're attached to or chasing in the future, just inviting yourself to be here now. Nowhere to go, nothing to do, but to be here now. And everything else can wait. Take a deep breath in and let it out. And inviting you to feel your heart. So if it's helpful, just putting a hand or hands over that powerful muscle in your chest and just feeling your heart. Noticing its natural rhythm. Noticing that you don't have to micromanage it. And how freaking cool that you can go through your day and your heart operates on your behalf. And take a deep breath in and letting it out. With your hand on your heart or your attention on your heart, just really giving a moment of gratitude for all the little cells that make up your heart and seeing them doing their job on your behalf and just thanking them. Thank you, little heart cells. So appreciate you. And take another deep breath in and let it out. And when you're ready, like a new little baby, opening your eyes for the very first time, just allowing your eyes to gently come on open. To simply notice what has shifted from that 2 minutes of connecting in. And from this calm and centered place, let's get to our sacred work for today.